October sales dropped 36.5% compared to 1 year ago and are down 18% from September this year. It's Friday, November 18th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. The average sales price grew at a slower rate of 3.2%, and there is a 1.4 months of inventory, which is in par with last year. Median days on the market have risen to 12 days compared to 9 days last year. Over the past week, 1,334 homes were listed for sale. 647 homes are coming soon, which is lagging. 590 went under contract and 866 moved to pending. 1,121 sold in 14 days at 100% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home was in Annapolis for $3,300,000. Rentals rose to $2,211 from last week at an average of $2,350 per month, and days on the market were steady at 27. There's a lot of noise out there, so if you need clarification, I can provide you with the facts, the data, the information, and bring context to it for you. Let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for November 18th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in, and until next week, stay safe.